Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. I am Miss A.R. Topno, and again I am here to teach you English literature in class 1. Today we will learn a new poem from the book New Astor. The name of the poem is Wild Beast. Chapter 2, page number 10. So children, take out your book and recite the poem along with me. I will be a lion and you shall be a bear, and each of us will have a den beneath the nursery chair. And you must growl and growl and growl, and I will roar and roar. And then, why then, you will growl again, and I will roar some more. By Evelyn Steen. Now children, before we go through the explanation of the poem, we should learn few hard words. The first word is beneath. B E N E A T H. Beneath. The second word is nursery. N U R S E R Y. The third word is growl. G R O W L. Growl. The fourth word is roar. R O A R. Roar. The fifth word is wild beast. W I L D. B E A S T. Wild beast. Now we will go through the meaning. The first word is den. The meaning of den is resting place of a wild animal, or we can say home of a wild animal. The second word is beneath. The meaning of beneath is under. The third word is nursery chair. The meaning of nursery chair is a low seated chair, or we can say small chairs. The fourth word is growl. The meaning of growl is to make a low sound in the throat, or the sound of a bear. And the fifth word is roar. And the meaning of roar is to make a very loud, deep sound, or we can say sound of a lion. So now the explanation of the poem. Here in this poem, two children are playing. One has become a lion and the another one has become a bear. And both the children are saying that they should have a den. Where they should have a den? Below the nursery chairs. Children, have you seen the small chairs kept in the nursery classes? Yes, they are very small chairs. So both the children who has become the bear and the lion, they are saying that they will have their den below the nursery chair. And then the child who has become a lion, he says to the bear that he should growl. Why he should growl? Because the bear growls. And the child who has become a lion, he says that I will roar. Why he will roar? Because the lion roars. And then the child who has become a lion, he says to the bear that he should growl more and more. And what he will do? He will roar some more. And this poem has been written by Evelyn Steen. She is the poet of the poem Wild Beast. So children, I hope you all have understood this poem. So learn and enjoy this poem at home. Thank you.